All right, let's talk about a book that's helped millions try to quit smoking. So what's its secret?
First off, why is quitting so tough? It feels like this massive uphill battle, right?
Yeah, it's a real struggle, and it usually boils down to a few really powerful feelings.
First up is just plain fear. The idea of life without cigarettes, it can be terrifying.
Then there's dread. You just imagine this long, miserable period of feeling deprived.
And finally, sacrifice. It honestly feels like you're giving up a friend or a crutch.
But what if that whole struggle is just a big misunderstanding of smoking?
See, this book's approach is totally different from the usual willpower methods you've seen.
It's not going to lecture you on health risks. Come on, you already know all that. Instead, it asks a different question. Why do you keep smoking? That's the real key.
So what is the real trap here? Well, the book says it's not what you think.
Okay, you've got the physical part, what the book calls the little monster. It's surprisingly minor. But the real issue? That's the big monster. The psychological trap, the brainwashing. Right here, this quote nails it. The craving is driven by fear, not by actual pleasure.
So if you get that, the whole experience of quitting completely changes. Let's see how.
The whole idea is to flip your beliefs on their head. It reframes pretty much everything.
So the goal isn't to just fight the urge to smoke. That's a huge difference. The goal is to get rid of the desire itself. You see the trap, and poof, it just vanishes.
Okay, so who is this book really for? Is it a good fit for you?
Well, if you've tried other things and you just feel stuck, this might be for you. There are just a few simple steps, but you gotta come in with an open mind. So what if that urge could just disappear? That's the promise. Freedom, not sacrifice.